as consumers and as taxpayers, we want to make sure that our money is not being used in a really risky way. So how would a public bank manage that risk so that we can feel confident that the bank is making wise decisions?
A fourth area of reducing risk is selective investment strategies on the part of the public bank. And one of the areas in New Mexico that is really apparent in need is within our supply chain. And agriculture is a good example of this. We have agriculture. We produce agricultural products, and 95% of those products go out of state. They're exported, not because there's a big market out of state, but because they need the processing and the distribution, packaging and distribution plants that are out of state. We don't have many or any, in some cases, in the state of New Mexico. So within the food system, we need mills. Because we don't have mills for our corn and wheat production, we have to send it out of state, and we import tortillas because we can't make flour here. And so an investment strategy that's in accord with what New Mexico needs for what we call import replacement says there's already a market here because we import 97% of what we eat. We export 95% of what we produce and import 97% of what we consume. So if we had more loans to businesses that need to be created here for the processing, distribution, packaging, distribution, we would be able to have more money circulating within the state instead of going out of state. We would also be having more businesses that would be able to serve people where their needs are and make it much more profitable. The biggest profit in the food industry is within that section that we don't have. It's in that processing and packaging area. So it would benefit the state of New Mexico. The market is already there, so it's a much less risk because we're already purchasing those foods. And the bank itself would have a loan program that would promote that. And the farmers and the markets, the distribution chain would be working together to make sure that those new businesses would succeed. So a selective investment strategy is also another way the public bank can give direction to reduce risk on new businesses.